of course, yeah, back court catches and then she be do ya. But mom say CJ any animal what's in the crack. As your her ball, but I can't say the Chief Justice said probably you don't go sit down there watching ball. There are serious issues, there are sensitive matters that you have to deal with. Say a man for now a petition say ampa say ni netia. It's all better chance na say we heard document him. Say ampa say be official ampa or say onye see Okruman na be yasem na kotamala. Come and sit down where you are kotamali. We are telling the executive, the legislature, the judiciary that look, you cannot manipulate the people of this country. Ya dia asem o menshia hanom. Now Muntaka, who national security as commission and investigation, and then you're able to prove the president that Sebi and yes, Sammordua lawyer. It tells you that we are not saving this country.
That's true.
It tells you that we are, you know, Sebi, Empeshe, Ebedino, Kramagana for Kumanum. Some person and I see, and the neighbor, no, Omasa to us the next month, 27th of July, and Tisano court Naka.
I was saying, I name Sampa, said the Nano, court hearing, no, and to me, I'm so now, you're the shame, no, na. Sammordua actually say oba no mo a ye be ni bibi na so ye ni ho bre no ene na court ekwa setena na ye party ni ehu de kokosi ye e wo honom na na Sammordua fla sampa man hene na de nyina e wo hanom a yenkoi na yenkotie ne de si ye e wo court Sammordua tumi ba ya de na e course wo honom mira wakwa ba
na odama mpacho
na ho ye de
odama
Yo, Sammordua ba na kosi say.
Adama me ni aba na gina so cha na bi ba na no ati say na no ati say
ka mi wi ba ho no na cha na se be cha no
Adama
Sammordua enwo pressure no
asa me pentamati
ma o ye de ni kwa so
sada je
bia woni emrechi asa wo
sada je Adama and Adama, you can, I'm sure I ever coin to Yanchi Asante mine.
Yeah.
Now, Yamara, Iran, team pan.
Sure.
I'm sure Chevy, Otiani Nechi, or Poland, or Canada.
Sir.
And I'm to or to no Asante mine, Dima to no Ghana Dim.
Yeah.
And when you look at his open speech, you can say a Ghana mine penny, say, Memfa, Nincha, Embremo, and Chevy. Kumasi Fonso and Asante man and a man Akwanyasho Ombra. So clearly, it was a double-edged sword and a double nation and Okoye. Tiana Mutu no Kutu Mani Efe. Ti she Kanisha, a share Matimon for Sinisi, Lobishamia. Well, of course, MJ back and forth. Yes, I see Sammordua for contempt. No, yeah, the assembly share on the 29th of June.
Okay,
share Ampa Assembly because the petition, you can't, the last time, no, on petition the Chief Justice. The Chief Justice said, as on your save one, to on your save one. Well, of course, we believe in the rule of law.
Okay.
We believe in respect.
Okay.
And Sebian Casso because of one Shani, and Sebi, Yam Pen Tem and Yabian Tem. You will be a bedison. The own petition the CJ. Of course, your back court catches and then she will do ya. But our mom say, CJ, any animal what's in the Etica crack. Wadama, MJ say, I can't aqua cheer who went in friends, I can't intend video. No, I'm just going to be a CJ no. Okay, one fan. Oh, be. Oh, so be a video, I say, oh, America. I say, oh, her ball. But I can't say the Chief Justice said, probably you don't go sit down there watching ball. There are serious issues, there are sensitive matters that you have to deal with. Say, a man for now a petition say. Ampa say ni netia. It's all better chance na say we heard document him. Champa say be official ampa or say onye see Okruman na be yasem na kotamala. Come and sit down where you are kotamali.
Mo kan be okay.
Oh no, for wherever na atade we o dia na ye de ko baby a enya o dia.
No question.
Na ye o dia so what are skaba? You're not scared by anything.
Sure.
So we are saying that they should do what is right.
Okay.
What we are calling them to enforce the law. And so we call cause in CJ ni onum. Our ma petition CJ no or ma judge no or man in waye. And the judge in the Sebi or some
Chief Justice.
By extension, he's part of the judiciary.
Okay.
And now Sebi, once he's part of the judiciary, and if he's not there, the judge cannot do anything.
Exactly.
So of course, with the greater respect, I don't fault the judge, but I'm saying that the CJ must come and let us know. Document the brand ecosystem.
Okay.
But I see, we are telling the executive, the legislature, the judiciary. That look, you cannot manipulate the people of this country. Okay. They keep on manipulating you. As they be manipulating you. Manipulating you. And then I said, I Reverend Ghanaian Asante, a friend, I'm one of the journalists in Kumasi here. Ezra TV. Ezra TV.
Yeah.
All right. On when Jataba appear on the show, no, and that Jataba Kasano. Sa journalists in Kase, Muntaka say, national security. has conducted their investigation. And in the conclusion of the investigation, no, they found out said, and then lawyer Kwabwa and then Muntaka lawyer.
Okay.
Shana Muntaka Kayo.
Yeah.
I said, you would aya. Now I said, ya some of Mensiahanum. Now Muntaka, who national security has commissioned an investigation, and then you're able to prove the president that Sebi and yes, Sammordua lawyer. It tells you that we are not saving this country.
That's true.
It tells you that we are, Sebi, Empeshe, Ebedino, Krama Ghana for Kumanum. So what in many Americans say? It's in here can say when the CJ come back, he should come and work on the document. Now on chair is a call to cry as some nko. Na ehwe na besi. Na can say sample asem na si. And I see. Enti na buy no, o must to us the next month on the 27 on next month, 27 of July. And it's no court na kan.
But the other faction no, omo to me buy.
And that is how they disrespect the whole processes. Danny na Sebi your fire car na ya toy fuel na ya bedru so a hwinsi o se wan yankuma mini aba Sebi
say one we say ye kan e bi ameka say no credit ono wonte no credit hwehwe mo yin hupie kontompote e na ye dan ya saka no mo se akra na e konkwan na sankrafo ne abafra se de tie bia mo beko samu jina kwa so mo se type mo se na ni atu mo se ya mo beko what you say enti e dan ya di okremu no so mo yen ka asem
sir
wa he nyankopon na ya di o wo de wa dwe na ya de be nyankopon ni tumi be hyewa ma one day wa ka asem no what you say enti di obi ye bia no ye nya na mane na one day nyankopon be na won sentry Asante man because adi nkunim Asante man be di nkunim no kura na eko it is obi ti ba bi no so di nkontompa enye nkontompo na ye de chise na ye no akọ be nkurom ni ntino kura be di nkunim na kura ti sakane a esisu ma na shrei enti ade na samba jafra dia pesa me ka tia ne se Yesu Kristo na Yesu no ofa o hawmu ofa o yawmu enti obi e no kwafo bi ani wono ma obefa de
emrem
ano de asa kwa na nyame ni bonyam na di
David no wanya bi aka
eno na ba ma kotokon ni asem ni achi na ba kotokon ni nkuni mi di PS asem we e de ba ne so kotokon ni de o kan ye no sa na ba
so obekọ osi wonwu obekọ
yes no be to me say no masem it is a judge no na also be so den krata also be so kotokon ni no masem ko na de kotokon ni jana wana nyankopon so ere ojina it obedi nkuni
as I say onokre eno de adwuma and the law is about truth running onokre shema we water there and all the material ingredient has been established are still stealing and not robbery now all the materials si ampa na hima we say or you should kan or say there's nothing you can do chebi munya manitia ye back and forth ye never boy en crew na dey na si na man for makose obi achi and I said we munya no due na e kan say munya ba one said a couple of days ago the Brom Regional House of Chiefs the seat of government it be sound say ampa na do ma hin say wo say sebi I read Sammordua na Sampa man
Sammordua wo ho
so ask yourself munya ba ask yourself
because the adro no ono Sampa ni do ma hin ni mi say wajejina kokunu na say you be na naka say
ayi na ma na edin
enti we say no one na say o person o tesa for ahun adwene
okay
ani do ma hin person o kacha Sammordua say for ahun adwene no no so na adwene so enti no o so di na chi sekana ma na ko ko anko bi
na ne birthday na e de na to let Sammordua fly din
na no na ye adwuma wo ho
e
ba pipa ne so
so was strike wo ba twere e de adwuma wo akwaka so ati say sika
abusu panyini Yewasigbo
Abu Mama
Sigbo obeka asem bi na no say 24-hour economy near the Sammordua na ko
oje wanje sebi wanje oje ya asefem but then na no sebi minim ni abagya me be sebi na nyame ehye na nimonyam ema nyame ni sebi na nimonyam ba no so no enya ade amene ni be what I say near can say then na DC the original minister na mo 24-hour economy na sebi you know exactly but don't forget say the original minister no na Sammordua lawyer enti waji ni sika waji obisika bebre enti the only way he can appease them is say na obeye but obi onyansani obi onimra sebi obi okamani woma onim say udada no
so within Sampa hall the omo na eye bibia but outside Sampa no na
but no but of course but you see dia enya dia ni umbekunda they will keep on misbehaving but we are not going to misbehave we are not coward it doesn't mean we are coward I'm saying, can't wait a media and I said, you better say now, will I allow you to destroy it?
No.
I'll not. I will stay cool. I will stay patient. I believe that at the end of the day, the right thing, and at the end of the day, the authority will speak.
Yeah.
And Tisebi, Samayophobia, selfish, and the original minister are not on kind of crack. And now, Sebi, I buy on kind of crack. a day and a time will come, there will be that truth. But Bishan say, how long? A be any example I'll call a Flaster house, one could be. A be any say, oh, the birthday.
The Kobo be
that document once a ma o na ebe enche we di ni birthday makobi nti o be di ni birthday o ma me ba no o di me di be kan I nti o be tro me di
decision na o be ko
nti so onim yan sha say nokwe enye bo apae nti so ka say MC na e bibia entro
de kura no kan
nti
kura no kan
nti o mo sampa no wadaro mo nti o mo fo say asem na si amayofo na e dado once amayoni de ni vote no pe vote man na afi no kwotran ba no so onka obi
no to hu se wajim ate ampo dabio any pass wa phone no na wo kwanya no wani ti eto de enkosi da be na se do bejimi amo obi agimi wo eti de omo ya nyina na media minister de na ye bre enye ohene ne akaso bewu akonwa so
ana
de omo ya nyina ye bre
nyina obi a time da so
yakopon da de bre na mo omo nya de ombe ye obetwa te sade susu afa ko de no na de twam sabra bible mu yes where's me back yes ya ne empire ni mu de na ye ne ba no hu abada ya wonya
no meti
eti wa manya abotre na binim se nkunimdie e be kwa amana na sama jafa
Mirror Daruma, do you think say you should have been given a prior notice say ne e be a chief justice in around until
no the law doesn't work that way. The law should be no, you don't say probably to Leja Majafla the judges of the court and so he should be treated fairly. No, Shebi Miniaba Shebi ni nya shema the way I'm running be treaty I Shebi wo the same way and sometimes we don't want to run. But of course, sometimes I'm running to Nima who file a document, you are the document take a process. And the document have taken, I say will be my authority. But come for at the end of the day, nothing will change. To let someone Jafla is overload. And we want to tell the people of this country, say, Doma, Nana Doma, Henny, no fa, Nimpon, a hand of Beshaye. Or Sayo But he keep on misleading the people, he keep on distorting history. As a mother, and talk, but of course, nobody will force you. But we said we are Mabunu. Babuno now you are intelligent and you want to read, you can read. And I read and I be say you they want to because why not show
yes
it's your own what can we force you
no
Shebi has no be switch me
it's here Shebi ayera obetimi asi sablugulana
Debbie
enye dia
Debbie
it's no ka me nka me to me ehwenro obi ana me ka me to me Ghana but see the bia Shebi Asante ma ko adu ne de I'm sure Obra wants to Nagaja Santima Ghana and Kenya. But I'm going to to my issue and Kaja. Madama.
The Babu report up which was sick a Ghana king.
Madama. It is
the Bruni Kaja to now. It's
Madama. Can you be not
fancy?
Yo, the person may catch a blue man for you and say, na samba kwa nyabuno
ende be nyabuno the
abufo no na ha dwene na omurura ha no
sunya nyabuno
samba nyabuno
dumasi awa nyabuno
awodumasa nyabuno
wanchi nyabuno jabe ko mu nyabuno
aso ma foso aka ma bomu
na do ma hen na
netrimu pa na sa usu trimu
na so wo ye hen na wagirimu do a
na obana dada
na do ma ne ba be dada wo enye me mama ni
na ye te kingdom kra obono no ma do ma na de beko
dabi na mama ni akuaje wa no bi so ba tinja mama ni akuaje wa se mama ni akuaje wa
no jatu
enti na no mu bia se be mutiti nkonwa so amusu muti mu nyansa wo mu na matina ma na do ma ne dada mo okay fine say na ma mo so ma ko boni fe yase o ma mo ni mo ma santeman o ma so ma santeman sampa be so ma santeman word ma so ma santeman
jabodom jakukrum
o nya be so enti nya ko pa kura yese obese wane wo mboa no no hwetinya wo ma so mo nka ko mo nko nya me ni medi enti oyi o ma fi na de pesa be ka to mo se ebradu se di pa bia na dwuma suo nyansa ya hwehwe mo ma yempe na ye hu ni enti ase e fa nya dwuma na mo aye enti na asa pa ja fra de se de on na sante ma fra se fitete no eno ana eko sa bia mai so put sampa na se nkundie ba na be di bidia eya mo adwumu no ade ko ati na susu bibi asa na da bone na ba mo ntra sa Sammordua oni wi ode ba ma mo ono kwa ni se de jaguri chimoda wona te se ya sembitia mo ma ye ni na do ma hena chi nya die eni kwa ase ye na se bi de osu bi arada osu na ni wa obi a osu bi osu na ni na minim se na sama jafra de oni kotoko ni ba bi kotoko ni jina no ojina ode no kra abotre ni budie to kwase
abotre de chenso
obo no de ye na juma na no da ni konkuni budie mo eti di oso ba pre one pre na bible say e pre na e pre wie be so se twentwen na asia tweno mo fa odo ni bi akoye eni na chi na nkunimde beba amodi mo nya hu bi na de oso ma sampa ma ho nyen de e de obi nkwashira ejari busuafo dia na komatia no saa na nyame be ne hu mama
Monica sa na kia do binko sa
oda ma nti sa na tie nti ye kan ya ye no asi ambrase mu
pacho da ho di kakasa che
o oda ma shebe me to lesa mo jafla no fa she am fi sampa me kan sa me kan ambrase mu but we believe that at the end of the day we believe in the greater good of the people and we believe that Ghana deserve better and then currently what is going on in Semfata am your phone MPP NDC they keep on manipulating emwa Sabi we amanyoni na person ya amanyoni na person obesum timamfo na nokredi na se odi e bia ni back and forth look at and then rate here na see o say Aferi hospital Aferi hospital mini aba at try one of my 8 years MPP munye NDC munye